Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a cash flow diagram or graph. So if you have any questions about how to create these tasks which are already there, or predecessors, or how to calculate the cost, please visit my channel and take a look at the other videos. So this video is specifically focused on how to create a cash flow, given that you already have these numbers in your Microsoft project file, and you want to create the cash flow graph. So once you have all these columns available, especially the cost column, what you are going to do is you go to report and then select costs and then select cash flow. So it is going to give you the information on your spending. And again, look at the steps one more time. When you have this, when you want to calculate the cash flow for your project, select report and then select cost and select cash flow, and it's going to give you the cash flow information. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.